So these are the lovely summer flowers of Buddleia, also affectionately known as the butterfly bush, because of course they attract butterflies, and we've had several butterflies on this Buddleia this summer. But as you can see, most of the flowers now are going over. We've got one or two buds still to come, and we've been deadheading, cutting off dead flowers. And you can see just there's a little stump from where I cut off the first dead flower, which encouraged the two side shoots. But then what happens is, and can you see just behind there is the next flower bud, and you can see some more starting on this stem behind as well. So we're doing this. Oh, look, that's a perfect example there. There's the buds coming, and you can just see the cut mark there, the stump that was left. And I will hope that we will get not just those flowers on the end, but also some more from these other nodes further down the stem. So we're going to go around now and cut off quite a few more of these dead flowers. So those there which were in flower as a kind of a second flush, let's take those off there. And well, look at that, you can see it raring to go now. So don't be afraid to cut them back a bit further. So this one here, you can see that there's a nice shoot coming there, but I reckon if I cut him back just there, it's not going to overhang our fence so much, and we will get more and more flowers later in the summer and into the autumn. I mean, we've had this in flower quite well into the autumn before we get the proper frosty weather. So, and I find this quite a therapeutic kind of job. Call me sad if you like. Call me sad. Actually, my name is Roger, but there is something quite satisfying just spending 5 minutes here and there going and doing some deadheading this time of the year. Sometimes it's nicer if you've got a can of something nice, the old amber nectar in your hand, or a glass of wine or something. Whatever takes your fancy, and just relax. Kind of, you can talk to your garden, talk to your plants. No harm in that. I'm not sure there's much benefit, but King Charles actually reportedly is fond of talking to his plants. So if it's good enough for Charles, it's absolutely marvellous. Yes, thank you, Charles. You know, it's good enough for me too. Look at that. I'm going to take that back just above those shoots there. Yeah, I'll work my way around and I'll show you how it looks when I've finished. There we go. There's a few at the back that I couldn't quite reach, and there's some at the back that are still in flower. Actually, I can see a bee on that flower there as well. There we go. So not only good for the butterflies, also good for the bees. And we've got lots of new shoots emerging there. So I would expect, and we're doing this in late July, I would expect by late August and through into September, we'll have more flushes of flowers. Ooh. There's one more there that I need to cut off. In case you're interested, this is Itea, and I've done a similar job with this last year. I cut off some of the shoots. You can see some at the back there that I haven't been able to reach this year. I'll do the same on that. I'm going to cut off some of those long shoots, and that encourages these shorter flowering shoots, and that's a lovely, graceful, perfumed evergreen shrub that seems to be really taking shape in our garden now. Anyway, not like me to get sidetracked, is it? There we go. There's our finished pruned butterfly bush in the middle of summer to get some more flowers in the autumn. Oh, and just before I go, I can't resist showing you, just in case you're interested. There's our pots of lilies, looking superb this year. If you like your lilies, or you like the look of those lilies, if you jump onto our channel, you will find several videos all about lilies. I think we've actually got a lily playlist, which might make it easier, and apparently it's easier to find that if you subscribe to our channel. I'll say no more. Any questions, any comments, we'd love to hear from you via the comment section on YouTube. Thanks a lot. Bye for now.